other day, I returned from a fabulous vacation in the Hotel Rixos Radamis Sharm el-Sheikh 5*, and I hasten to share my impressions. If you are planning a vacation in Sharm el-Sheikh, this hotel should be on your list. I spent a whole week here and it was incredible. Let me tell you what to expect, share my impressions, recommendations, and life hacks. But before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and support this video with likes. To start with a little general information, Rixos Radamis 5 is a complex of new hotels in Sharm el-Sheikh. Since October 16, 2024, Rixos Radamis Tirana and Rixos Radamis Blue Planet hotels are united under one name, Rixos Radamis Sharm el-Sheikh 5. It is located on the second line, passage to the sea across the road, underground passage. On the first line, there is a complex of Villas Club Prive by Rixos Sharm el-Sheikh 5*. The water park and casino are under construction. It is planned to open in 2025. They promise something similar to the Land of Legends in Turkey. Now those staying in these hotels can use water park, entertainment, and even buffet in Rixos Premium Seagate 5*, until they launch their own infrastructure in full force. Immediately after arriving at Sharm el-Sheikh Airport, we got to the hotel in just 10 minutes, a huge plus, especially after a long flight. Already at the entrance, I was struck by the atmosphere, bright spacious halls, stylish design, and smiling staff. I was greeted with a cool drink and checked in quickly, even though we arrived early in the morning. It was a pleasant start to the vacation. The hotel beach is across the road, but you can get to it via an underpass. It's convenient and safe. The beach is sandy, with a lagoon and a pier. The water is the clearest, and the coral reef right by the shore is a real gift for snorkeling lovers. I snorkeled every day and watched the colorful fish. It was incredible. But keep in mind that it is better to take water shoes for the beach. Corals can be sharp. Next to the beach, there is a grill restaurant. Here they serve very tasty meat, also a wide choice of dishes. There is even lamb. This beach complex, alas, does not meet the expectations of all guests. I have heard outrage about the remoteness of the beach and windy weather, but it goes without saying, because this is the area of Nabq Bay. Here it is often windy. Personally, I got the atmosphere that tourists usually look for on the Red Sea coast. So focus on your personal preferences, but personally I believe that nature has no bad weather. The territory of the Hotel Rixos Radamis Sharm el-Sheikh is truly delightful, beautiful and luxurious, creating an atmosphere of modern comfort. The hotel has a relatively small area, which allows guests to walk around it with pleasure and easy access to all recreational areas. For those who prefer to move faster, the hotel offers wolf cars, which adds convenience and makes for a more comfortable stay. The hotel is brand new, and despite its youthfulness, it has a high level of service and quality of infrastructure. The resort is ideal for families, offering comfortable facilities and an atmosphere where every member of the family feels welcome. The pools on site are large and clean but are not heated, which can be uncomfortable in the cooler seasons. The gym, unfortunately, is quite small, which can be a disadvantage for those who are active in fitness. The hotel itself pleases with its design and overall appearance, which leave a pleasant impression on many guests. However, it is worth noting that reviews of the hotel with a high rating are sometimes repeated, which suggests a possible markup. Despite this, the Rixos with childbirth from Sharm el-Sheikh remains an attractive place to stay, with delightful grounds and thoughtful comforts. The food in the hotel is a separate delight. The all-inclusive concept includes several restaurants and bars. The main restaurant offers a buffet with a huge choice of dishes: fresh seafood, meat, vegetables, fruits, and desserts. Every meal was like a gastronomic journey. I especially liked the a la carte restaurants. Italian restaurant, pasta and pizza were simply divine. Asian restaurant, sushi and tempura are top-notch. Turkish restaurant, flavorful kebabs and sweets. And there is also a bar on the beach and by the pool, where you can order cocktails and light snacks. Alcohol is included in the all-inclusive system, and the choice is really good. From my experience, book tables in a la carte restaurants in advance, especially if you are vacationing in high season. My room was a superior room with a sea view. It was spacious, bright, with a modern design and a huge balcony with a stunning view of the Red Sea. I started every morning with a cup of coffee on the balcony, enjoying the views and the sounds of the waves. The room was equipped with everything we needed: A comfortable bed, TV, minibar, free Wi-Fi, and even a smart home system that allowed us to control the lights and air conditioning from our phone. Housekeeping was done twice a day and everything was spotlessly clean. My separate recommendation: if you like beautiful visuals, book a sea view room. It's worth it. The staff at the hotel deserve a special thank you. All the staff are friendly, attentive, and ready to help in any situation. We would especially like to mention Ahmed at the front desk. He did everything to make our vacation comfortable. SPA. Every day there is something going on in the hotel, from dance lessons and aqua aerobics to evening shows. I especially remember the Moulin Rouge show. It was amazing. For children, there is a children's club with a city of professions, where kids can have fun. I also visited the spa center where I had a relaxing massage. It was the perfect end to the day. For sports lovers, there are tennis courts, table tennis, and a fitness center. My advice: be sure to attend the evening shows. They are worth it. The children's area at the Rixos Radamis Sharm El Sheikh is a paradise for young guests, and its heart is undoubtedly the kids' club. From the first glance, it strikes you with its bright and colorful design, which creates an atmosphere of joy and comfort. Children immediately feel at home here, and parents can be calm. Their kids are in good hands. The club employs professional animators who not only know how to find an approach to each child, but also do everything to make children feel comfortable and happy. They organize exciting master classes, fun group games, and active entertainment, which help kids to discover their talents and have fun. It is especially pleasant that the children's zone provides not only active activities, but also corners for quiet rest. Here children can read a book, play board games, or just relax after a busy day. This makes the zone ideal for children with different interests and moods. If you are planning a vacation with kids, this hotel will be a great choice. In conclusion, Rixos Radamis Sharm El Sheikh 5 is an ideal place for a vacation, where everyone will find something different. Luxurious rooms, amazing cuisine, gorgeous beach, and impeccable service. All this makes the hotel a great choice for families, couples, and even solo travelers. If you are planning a vacation in Sharm El Sheikh, definitely consider this hotel. I'm sure it will exceed all your expectations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new reviews of the best hotels and resorts. Give me a like if you liked my review and share it with your friends. See you soon!